Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is very different from the usual videos that I do, which is makeup tutorials, my clothing hauls. This is actually going to be a video based on my hair journey, how I got my hair to grow, the length, and if you want to see more to my answers to all the questions that everybody has been asking me, how I got my hair to grow, then please stay tuned. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I've got a few answers to any questions to people who are wondering how to grow natural hair. If you've got any queries, please comment below. So I'm going to start off with an answer to one of the questions, and that is, how long have I been natural? So I've been natural for 2 years now, and I found that it's been the best thing that I've done, being natural. The reason why I decided to become natural was because I started looking at YouTubers who had been growing natural hair, and I wanted to be able to grow my natural hair long. I also wanted the length, and I also wanted the volume, the thickness of the hair as well. And looking at other YouTubers, how they grew their hair, and also how long it took them and the patience, the products that they use, I thought, you know what? Let me give it a go. Let me try being natural and see if there's been any progress in my hair or if it will progress to growing. And it did. And ever since then, I've just been so happy that I've decided to be natural for 2 years, even though it's blow dried. I blow dry it every 6 months just to see the progress, and also to trim my hair also, which is very, very important. Have I ever relaxed my hair? Yes, I have. I relaxed my hair when I was 16 years old, and the reasons of why, and I'm going to be extremely honest, I actually wanted to have permanently straight hair. Let's be honest, back then, 2007, 2008, there was a lot more people that, you know, we looked up to who had very straight hair, long straight hair. There wasn't much people in the industry or even in person that had natural hair that much. So it was fashion to kind of have long bone straight hair or long weave and so on and so forth. So I decided to relax my hair, texturize it or relax it. I believe it's the same thing. I'm not too sure. I'm still putting a chemical in my hair. However, a good 8 months later, it broke the whole back of my hair and I was absolutely distraught. I kept saying to my mum, is it going to grow? She kept saying, you know, don't worry, your hair will grow. And it was one of the worst traumas of my life. Some people would be like, well, why are you getting so upset over your hair breaking? But to me, it was like an extreme change for me. But ever since my hair has broken from the relaxer, I decided not to ever relax my hair anymore. There has been such a huge change in how I've used products, how my hair has grown ever since then, and that's one of the main reasons why I've relaxed my hair. And to the questions of have I relaxed my hair, yes I have. I relaxed my hair when I was 16, but I've been natural for about 10 years now. I'm 27, so I've been natural for about 10 to 11 years without having any chemical in my hair. What products do I use? Okay, so the products that I use would be, I first of all started using Sheer Moisture 2 years ago when I decided to not use heat for about a year and a half, just to see the progress of my hair and how it grows after watching YouTubers. I started using the Jamaican black castor oil, which I still use now as a shampoo, especially if you've got dirt build up or your hair is extremely dry. Black Jamaican castor oil is absolutely amazing for black hair. That's just my opinion anyway. Also, I've recently started using African Pride leave-in conditioner, especially to do a twist out, or if you're washing your hair and you're leaving your hair in flat French braids or plaits or cane rows or braids, whatever you're doing with your protective hairstyle. I tend to use African Pride. Also, I use argan oil just to keep in moisture in my hair also. How many times do I add heat? How many times do I add heat? Okay, I think I did mention that I blow dry my hair every 6 months just to see the progress of my hair, just to make sure that it's in its healthy state. I try not to use too much heat because you can get heat damage, and also I found that when I don't use as much heat, my hair grows much more longer and thicker. So that's why I try not to use as much heat in my hair also. It's the secret to growing healthy natural hair. I would say the secret to growing natural hair is to just be patient also, just to do what you're doing. If you're using the right products, also make sure to switch your products up also when going natural. Try not to stick with the same products. Try to experiment to see what product works for your hair type, and it's just a great way for just having fun with your natural hair, having fun with different products that you're using. I'd also say to also keep with protective hairstyling. Whether you're working, I work, so protective hairstyling is one of the best things I've ever done, is putting it in 2 French braids or plaits or cane rows like I said, going to work and just locking in the moisture. If you want to twist out, you can take out your plaits or twists and it will be in a nice little twisty hairstyle. Also to remember to also wrap your hair when you're going to bed, or having silk pillows so your hair's not rubbing at the back of the pillow and you're not losing a lot of your hair. So that's another great tip to growing healthy natural hair, is to just make sure that your hair is wrapped tightly, not too tight so you've got a headache, but just make sure that you look after your hair also, and just drink a lot of water, make sure that you're hydrated. And also what you eat also, make sure you're eating healthy foods, because as much as you look after yourself on the outside, you have to also look after yourself on the inside as well. So guys, this is a wrap. This is the last bit of the video. If you've got any answers or any questions that you want to ask me about how I grew my hair, what else I do to make my hair grow, what I add into it, what products do I use, please do not hesitate to ask me. Many people have been asking me, how I grow my natural hair. So this is just a video just to let you guys know this is what I do to grow my natural hair. If you're just starting out being natural, just be patient, enjoy it. If you've intermediate, your hair's starting to grow, you're starting seeing the progress, keep going, keep trying it, keep doing your natural hair and enjoy it. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, the little button down below. And if you're my existing subscribers, thank you, and for watching, and welcome again, and thank you guys so much. Take care, bye.